Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa News Up to Date. Ang topic po natin ngayong gabing ito ay tungkol po sa advisory na inilabas ng Securities and Exchange Commission laban po sa Better Experience or B na nakabase daw sa Dubai at pinopromote ni DJ Lunyo. Based on the reports and information gathered by the Commission, Better Experience or B, as advertised by Remuel Lunyo, also known as DJ Lunyo, is soliciting investments from the public. Mga kababayan, wag po kayo magpapaniwala dyan sa mga endorsers, kahit na sino pa yan, kahit na sikat pa yan mga endorsers na mga investment companies na yan. Dapat i-check nyo po yung secondary license. Dahil kahit na sino po yung nag-endorse dyan, kapag tinakbuhan na po kayo ng investment company na sinalihan nyo o investment scheme na sinalihan nyo, ang sasabihin lamang ng mga endorsers na yan na binayaran sila para nga mag-endorse o sila daw ay brand ambassador o biktima lang din sila. Better Experience advertises itself as a top technology company based in Dubai that provides digital application and products that help consumers in the financial markets such as forex, cryptocurrency, binary options, and stocks. As posted online, Better Experience claims to have developed different online applications with different services and products. The first application is the World of Wisdom or WOW, where online courses and live webinars about forex, cryptocurrency, binary options, and stocks are available. Second, copy-paste applications namely Shift, Relic, WS Titan, NFX, where trading ideas patterned from professional traders are sent to the consumer, and the consumer would have the choice to copy said trade and paste such in the trading platform used. This scheme boasts a 70 to 80% win ratio. Third, a travel platform named Quest that offers up to 75% discount in 1.2 million hotels, resorts, flights, and VIP lounges. Furthermore, other persons may use the platform through the consumer who avails of the different packages in the Quest applications where the consumer would earn commissions. Fourth, the SageMaster application which boasts of artificial intelligence or AI trading in which said application would connect to the platform of choice and the trades are automated. As advertised, all the consumer must do is deposit and withdraw money. Furthermore, just by simply repairing two active customers one time, the monthly subscription is waived. Better Experience or B offers 5 bundles ranging from $199 up to $1,799. The bigger the bundle availed of, the more applications and features. An affiliate business is also offered by Better Experience. In said scheme, a consumer would refer another person to avail of any of the 5 bundles offered by Better Experience. If the consumer is able to recruit others to use the platforms, a commission of up to 30% and residual income are earned. Mga kababayan, mag-ingat kayo sa mga ganyan mga investment schemes. Makikita nyo, too good to be true ang kanilang pangakong kitaan, di ba? May guaranteed na pangakong kitaan. Ang kailangan mo lang daw gawin ay mag-invest, pipili ka lang daw doon sa mga bundle at kikita ka na raw. At syempre, mayroon din silang DRB o direct referral bonus o commission na kapag nakapag-recruit ka daw ay kikita ka daw ng 30% na commission. So, ganyan po ang ginagawa ng mga investment schemes na yan. Para nga mas marami ang maingganyo na sumali dahil nga malaki yung pangakong kitaan at syempre maiingganyo din sila na mag-recruit kasi meron silang 30% commission sa kada mare-recruit nila. Pero tandaan nyo po mga kababayan, doon sa mga nagre-recruit, may pananagutan po kayo sa mga na-recruit ninyo o sa mga downline ninyo. Kaya nga wag na po kayo magre-recruit, maawa po kayo doon sa mare-recruit nyo dahil kadalasan sila po ang naaabutan ng pagsasara ng isang investment scam. Kaya po, umiwas na po kayo sa pagre-recruit. Wag po kayo maingganyo dahil lang sa malaking komisyon dahil pwede po kayong makasuhan ng ni-recruit ninyo. The public is made aware that an investment contract exists when there is an investment or placement of money in a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived from the efforts of others, which is prominent in the scheme of better experience or B. As such, the Securities Regulation Code or SRC requires that said offer and sale of securities must be duly registered with the Commission and that the concerned entity and or its agents should have the appropriate registration and or license to sell such securities to the public. Based on the Commission's database, Better Experience or B is not registered as a corporation or a partnership with the Commission. Likewise, Better Experience has not secured prior registration and or license to solicit investments from the Commission prescribed under Section 8 and 28 of the Securities Regulation Code or SRC. So ayan po mga kababayan, yung Better Experience po ay hindi po nakarehistro sa SEC at wala din po silang secondary license. Mga kababayan, tandaan nyo po na kahit na ano pa pong business yan na nanghingi or nagsusulisit na investment sa publiko, dapat po meron po muna yung secondary license. Kahit na yan po ay isang international o foreign company, dapat kumuha muna sila ng secondary license galing sa SEC bago sila mag-offer ng investment sa publiko dito sa Pilipinas. Further, the scheme employed by Better Experience or B shows indication of a possible Ponzi scheme where monies from new investors are used in paying fake profits to prior investors and is designed mainly to favor its top recruiters and prior risk takers and is detrimental to subsequent members in case of scarcity of new investors. The offering and selling of securities in the form of investment contracts using the Ponzi scheme, which is fraudulent and unsustainable, is not a registrable security. The Commission will not issue a license to sell securities to the public to persons or entities that are engaged in this business or scheme. Moreover, RA number 11765 or the Financial Products and Services Consumer Protection Act or FCPA prohibits the commission of investment fraud, defined as any form of deceptive solicitation of investments from the public which includes Ponzi schemes and such other schemes involving the promise or offer of profits or returns sourced from the investments or contributions made by the investors themselves and the offering or selling of investment schemes to the public without a license or permit from the SEC. In view thereof, the public is hereby advised not to invest or to stop investing in the investment scheme being offered by Better Experience or B and its representatives. So ayan po mga kababayan, tumigil na po kayo sa pag-invest dyan sa Better Experience at wag na po kayo mag-invest dyan. Kung kayo po ay nakapag-invest na, humingi na po kayo na refund dahil illegal po ang kanilang ginagawang pagsusulisit ng investment sa publiko. Babala po para sa mga umaaktong salesmen, brokers, dealers, agents, representatives, promoters, recruiters, uplines, influencers, endorsers, abettors, and enablers of Better Experience or B in selling or convincing people to invest in the investment scheme being offered by the said entity, including soliciting investments or recruiting investors through the internet, may be held criminally liable under Section 11 of the FCPA and Section 28 of the SRC, which are both penalized separately with a maximum fine of 5 million pesos or imprisonment of 21 years or both pursuant to Section 73 of the SRC. Furthermore, the names of all those involved will be reported to the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR so that the appropriate penalties and or taxes be correspondingly assessed. Kung meron po kayong impormasyon tungkol po sa operasyon ng Better Experience or B, pati na rin sa mga representatives niyan, ay pwede nyo pong isend ang inyong report sa Enforcement and Investor Protection Department ng Securities and Exchange Commission sa kanilang email na epd@sec.gov.ph. Ito pong advisory ay inilabas noong October 31, 2023. Mga kababayan, dapat maging maingat tayo dahil marami po ang nagkalat dyan ng mga investment schemes, lalo na po papalapit na ang Kapaskuhan, kailangan maging mas maingat tayo. Kahit na yan ay nagpapakilalang international company, dapat yan ay i-research nyo po at i-verify ninyo kung kompleto ba sa legalities. Dahil marami ang nagkalat ng mga scams at alam naman natin na sa umpisa maring padamahin kayo ng company at bigyan kayo ng payout. Pero sa huli po, sigurado po, tatakbuhan po kayo niyan. Kaya nga kailangan maging maingat tayo. Kailangan lagi tayo magbe-verify kasi yung mga companies ay mahilig po yan magsinungaling at yung ibang mga companies ay namemeke ng dokumento. Mga kababayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsuporta sa aking channel. God bless po.